All right, so this is Marshall working the camera, and Sean and Peter are going to do hive inspections. We're going to start with this top Bar Bee Hive. And I'm going to really smoke here in the opening, and then I'm going to crack it. Do a little smoke in here. So these are just ones I put in here to strengthen the colony, and you already advised me about how those weren't going to be kept warm. But they can actually be using it for storage. Now I should probably pull them out. Yeah. I think I'm done with those for now. So we'll pull those out.
Yeah, if there was brood in there, they would not take care of it.
Yeah, well, they're putting honey in it.
Yeah.
And so I'm you know, maybe I should leave it for the honey, but I want them to grow these.
Yeah,
so if I leave that in there, they will not do that. That's right.
That's right.
So let me just walk this over so there's not a lot of room here. Walk it over here. Hopefully it doesn't make too much of a honey mess.
Yeah, and leaving dead brood is
never a good
idea. It's not like the end of the world. It's not the best way to do it.
Dead babies are never good.
No.
So we take the back of the board and slide it over just a little bit. And I started these with just a little 2-inch strip.
Yeah, they're doubling up on it.
Should I peel that off?
I would. It's just, does it have any brood in it or anything?
No, there's no brood, there's pollen in it. Okay. That's okay, I'll throw it in the solar melter.
There you
go. Let me grab a tool. Yeah, so that's some sweet honey going on right there.
Some nice build.
Just touch the thing again.
Oh, okay. Is it not recording when it's
recording the whole time? But the screen will
go off. Okay.
Will conserve energy. So with these, you want to rotate them when you pull them out. Now they do have the extra strength because I did that, but you still want to rotate them this way. And look at all that brood in there. And if we see the queen, we might want to mark her. Oh, see, I almost folded it sideways. Did you see what I just did?
Okay, this is weaker.
Yes, it is weaker. It's not supported. So I don't see her on here. So I'm going to go ahead and rotate that back down in. And it looks like they're building a little bit of comb on the side there, burr comb. So I'm going to want to get that off. Let's put this in the sunlight. Lots of good brood on that. Go ahead. Yeah, look, they're not even building on the support.
I have found that that's not atypical. That bees oftentimes prefer to make their own comb rather than build off. If you're going to do this, what I do is run, if I can, I take a piece of wax from another colony.
Right.
And I just start a couple, like 3 spots.
Okay.
And then the bees will build it out. When they're ready, they'll build it out very quickly.
Yeah. And the traditional way is just to have a bump right here.
Yeah, a bump right there. You can put like a little, some people use paint sticks.
Yeah.
And just put a wood stick.
You got it. Got it. So this is really an experiment that I started, and it seems to be going all right. I don't know where the queen is.
She might be hiding in that little
that pile down there.
Well, no, the recess right here between the comb and
she could be in there. You're absolutely right. Well, this is not my goal today to spend too much time on this.
Okay.
But like I said, it's an experiment we've got started here. And I'm hoping they'll start building out this 3rd bar here more, and then I'll add 2 more.
I think you're doing pretty good with that. Just doing it the way you're doing it.
It's a start. The only thing is not standard size. I've had to cut these down, so I want to build one that uses the length stroke. Yes. Okay, so let's see if our smoke is still going, and it is. Let's move on to this hive. Now this one I'm definitely going to need my tool because this is not a proper lid, and I know they're going to have built onto the lid again.
Put propolis in. Glued it down.
Now, see how it's a big gap? I just made a quick top for it.
Yeah, that's fine.
And so let me grab my tool. Thought I had set it out here. My extra set of hands.
And tell me again, what's the goal on this hive?
Which one?
The one we're going into?
This is a swarm capture. I'm just.
Okay, you're just going. But it's an inspection.
It's just an inspection.
Just looking for. So we're looking for brood. Is the hive queen right? Do we want to mark the queen in here?
If we find the queen, we would like to mark her.
Okay.
Where did I set my tool? And neither one of you brought yours.
I actually was thinking about it, but why would I bring my tool?
You shouldn't. Actually. It's for disease control. You don't really want to bring tools because it's not that he has any disease, but if you do and you don't know it, you can bring it here or vice versa.
Yep.
So it's very
good practice not to.
Yeah. The right thing to do is.
And you hear that, kids? Stay in school and don't bring your tool. Words of advice.
You want to stop recording while we wait?
I
Don't know.
guess, yeah. I guess I push that. Is that right?